if and logical exercise. So the very first one is we want to find out how many fruit categories are banana. So what you'll first do is click the if function, and we're going to choose count if, and then click OK. And it's asking the range, so select the range that the categories are in. And then for criteria, you want it to match A16, which is banana, and then click OK. And you should get 3. So to match it, if you wanted to use a conditional formatting, select the range, conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, equal to, type banana, and then you can go, right now it's coming in red, but I'm going to change it to yellow, or more like to match the one that's there, and then click OK. And then you have the 3 that match. So for our basic function, it's just equals C3 asterisk D3 check, and then fill handle. The next one, compare. So select D2, and we want to compare if the two amounts in B and C, if they're equal or not. So the first thing you'll do is choose the insert function, and then select if, and OK. So the logical test, does B2 equal C2? And if it does, type OK. If it doesn't, you can type wrong amount, and then OK, and use your fill handle. And any that have the OK, the amounts are exactly the same. The next one, age. For this one, if they are the logical test here on row 16, if they'll be legal if they're 21 or over, and under if they're under 20. So again, insert function, if, OK. So if B2 is greater than or equal to 21, if it's true, legal. If it's false, under. And notice that you don't have to type the quotation, it'll do it for you automatically. The first sample, the person's 25, so it's definitely true, so it's legal. OK, and then fill handle. Next one, free gift. So for this one, anyone that made a donation that's over $50 is going to get a free gift. So again, it's FX, insert function, if, OK. So I'm just going to move this over. If G2 is greater than or equal to $50, they're going to get a free gift. Oops. If it's false, I'm going to press space bar. They get nothing. I could type 0, but I want space. Then OK. And then again, the fill handle. And the only ones that have the free gift are $50 or more. So to do a conditional formatting, select the range so that they match the color with the ones at the free gift. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Actually going to go to new rule, and then I'm going to choose cells that contain, and here we go, cells that contain, and the rule is greater than or equal to $50. And then I'm going to go to format, and it's in fill, pick any color you'd like, OK, and the ones that have the free gift should be in blue. Nice. Next one, between. So click in C4, and you want to, the people that, or the sales for the stores that are over 2,000 but under 4,000 are going to get an extra bonus. So go ahead into FX, if, OK. So on this one, you'll type and we're looking at B4. If it's greater than or equal to 2,000, comma, and the or is, not or, and it's less than and greater than 4,000. And close the parentheses. So it has to be between 2,000 and 4,000. So if it's true, it'll be the B4 plus the B14, the $500, I'm sorry, B17, the $500, make sure you press F4 so you get the $sign before the B and the 17. If it's false, they're just going to get the B4, nothing added. So go ahead and click OK. And then your fill handle. And again, to highlight which ones got the bonus, select the range. And you can go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and you want between. So anything between 2,000 and 4,000, and you can keep it red or change the color, custom format maybe, green this time. And the ones that have the additional $500 you'll see. And the next one, which is the last one, you don't have dates on yours. So shipping. So the if function is if any shipping amount is over $100, they'll be charged $10. If it's under $100, they'll be charged $5. So fx, if, okay. So the test is B4 if it's greater than or equal to $100. If it's true, it'll be $10. If it's false, $5. And then go ahead and fill handle. And then for the total cost, you just want to add B plus C. And I also wanted to share with you, there is a way that you could actually combine the two C and D together. So in your if function, we start off the same. So if B4 is greater than or equal to $100, if it's true, it'll be B4 plus $10. If it's false, it'll be B4 plus $5. So you're combining the two steps, and they should match what you have in the total cost. And then I would just put the $sign. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.